So here it is, guys. We're here at the place, but here it is, fully rebuilt now with new paint and also a new upgrade too on the front bumper. Yeah, so shortly I'll be showing you its driving previews. Well, guys, here's my voiceover. I would like to say that I felt like my RC car was kind of underperforming because I think the batteries weren't exactly at their temperatures. You see that I actually haven't used the batteries in a while. I think in like 2 days, so maybe that's the reason why it kind of underperformed. Like over here, where it did sound like it was underpowered. So maybe yeah. But I think after the next run, it performed a little better. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, great. Oh, great. Oh, oops. And now, the moment I've been waiting for. Putting the side skirt armor on my MN99s. Guys, I was trying to jump off the ledge, but then I decided I didn't actually want to do it, but I braked a little too late and it started hanging off the cliff. Actually, a ledge.